Good day guys, Bing here. So today we're going to try this rounded safety railing. Okay, so these, I think we can just use railing, and also I think it's possible to, so you can see this edge, we can also include that part. So this edge, what do we call this, curb, and also this, and also maybe these. Okay, so let's start. First we need to create a project. Okay, so we're going to start with, so I'm going to start with a floor. Okay, so something like this shape. So I'm going to use floor, maybe rectangular, rectangular, and then maybe just adjust this shape a little bit, maybe this. Okay, finish. So now we have this floor, and also we need to edit boundary, use fillet arc. Maybe I'll use 1 meter. That's too big. Or maybe just increase the size of this a little bit. Okay, so this, so, and the fillet arc again, radius 1 meter. And okay, so now we have this. And then the next step is we're going to create this thing. So so first let's model a railing. So we're going to just use pick line, tab, select all this edge, finish. So now let's have a look in 3D view. So of course this is just a railing, right? So now we are going to modify this railing so it looks like this one. So first we're going to create 2 profiles. So one is this, so this circular, so this one's actually we probably can find a profile already in this project. So let's have a look on the family. I think let's have a look in profiles. So maybe we can just use handrail circular this. Okay, so let's try circular handrail. Yeah, not sure. Anyway, so let's just start to, maybe we can create this as a top rail or a just railing. So let's just go edit type. I'm going to just duplicate. I'll just call it new. Okay, so first let's go to rail structure. Actually, let's use a top rail for this one. So for this one, this is a top rail. It's a square shape, 50 by 50. So let's click on this here, click on here, and then so looks like there are some different ones. So for example, this one is a circle of 40 mil. Let's have a look. So this controls the size. So see this profile. So we won't be able to duplicate a size from here. So what means it means is, so we need to finish this one, go back to here. So let's go find that profile. So it will be, oh sorry, I forgot to let's have a look again. So go back here. So it's circle, this one. So handrail circular. So which is handrail circular? This one. Okay, good. So go to here. So see here 40. Right click, duplicate. So these are quite, looks like big, very big, right? So maybe just make a very big one. So maybe maybe 200. Okay, so let's rename it 200 mil, and also double click on it. So there should be this diameter parameter. So we can change it to 200. So now we have a profile for this. So now go back to this railing. So edit type. So go here, click on this little box, and then we can just duplicate. So we'll call it 200 mil circular. I'll just call it 200 mil. Okay, so and go here. So change the profile to this 200 mil. I'll just leave everything else as it is. So let's click OK, and click OK again. That's yeah, that's good. So the next step is we're going to create a profile for this curve. Okay, so this time we needed to create a new family. So on the we're going to use the profile, maybe profile rail. Okay, so profile rail, and now so rail top, rail center. I'm not really sure. So maybe we just drew it. So let's just I'm not very sure. So but I'll just draw this one maybe down, maybe 100. Okay, so and then and again I'm not sure about the actual size. Let's have a look again. Looks like okay, so looks like maybe I'll make it 150. Okay, so 150, maybe this one become 200, and then maybe to go up something like this. Okay, so or we can also just make use fillet arc. So if you want to, you know, something like this, right? So maybe a little bit too smaller. Yeah, this one's fine. Okay, so this will be the profile. So let's load this one into the project. So now let's go to 3D view, select this, and we're going to add that using rail structure. Okay, so click on edit, insert. So height is 0, offset 0. Yeah, not sure yet. So let's just place that. So this is the profile we just did. So okay. Yep. So it looks like, yeah, that's correct. So you can see this edge is the like a base point or origin point, and then the profile we drew. So it's just sitting on the right hand side. So which looks quite okay. And yeah, I think that's it. And then yeah, so now we need to reduce the height of this top rail. So so we can go here. So maybe 600, maybe apply. Okay, so lower this, and then we will need this bit. So for this bit, I think there are different options. One is we can use like burst post maybe. So let's try that one. So go create a new family. So it will be a baluster. So go up here. So I think let's just use a baluster post. And okay, so just make sure this is the default view, the first view. When you start this baluster post family, it will always be left. So left means we are looking, can't remember. We should be looking from the left. So which means we need to go to front view and draw this shape. So let's go to front view. Okay, so yeah, not really sure what the height need to be, but I'll just draw something. Okay, so we need to set work plan first. So go to floor plan. So this is front back. So because we're going to draw this onto this front this reference plan, so we're going to need set work plan first. So create and set work plan, pick a plan, and pick this reference plan. Then go to the front view. So we're going to draw something. Not sure the size. Maybe or just roughly. Okay. So because the top rail is 600, right? So we we have changed the top rail in here to 600. I believe if I do a spot elevation, okay, so it looks like 600 is the top. Okay, so and then it's 200. Okay, so that's all good. So let's go back to the front view here. So we're going to draw a extrusion. Okay, so extrusion and then sketch line. So we're going to start from maybe I'll just draw a line up 600 first, and okay, so now 200 diameter, so it's like 200 down. So and then I'll just draw a circle here and just move it to here. So now this will be the location of that this bit. Okay, so and then we just need to just do another something like maybe something like this, right? So maybe it's like this. Okay, so I'll just use offset maybe 100 maybe. Okay, so and then try to need to tangent. Okay, so good. Trim tr. So now we have this. Okay, so finish, and let's go to floor plan. We need to, so currently 250. So from this reference plan, so 250 one side. So maybe we can just 50 and negative 50. So well be on both sides. So if I go to 3D view, so this is what it looks like. So now we can load this one into the project. Okay, so into the project, and then we can go. Let's go to 3D view. Select this. Edit type. So go to baluster placement. We're going to use that one. Okay, so let's go family 2. I'll change this one to maybe larger distance. Let's have a look. Apply. Okay, so looks like we have some issue here because this is because hang on. So what are these? I think they are probably these. Yeah, maybe I'll change this one to change this to none and see what happens. Okay, so that's right. So okay, so let me explain what happened here. Okay, so when we drew this baluster post, we did 600 on top, but currently if I do a spot elevation, you can see it's 350. So this is because if I go back to this one, go to front view, currently let me do a dimension. It's from here to here, so it's 900. When we load this one into the project and then set the top rail to 600, it come down by 300. So if I move this down by 300, you can see it actually, oh hang on, something's not right. So let me just move down with uncheck this joint. 300. Okay, so it looks like nothing happened. maybe I'll try this one, move down by 300. Okay, so now this is what happened. Okay, so although when we create this extrusion, we didn't constrain it onto this reference plan, but however there is some relationship between them, so which means when we move this one, it will also adjust this shape. Okay, now you can see this. So to fix this, I think the easiest way is we just need to move this down to 600 and then keep this size. So I'm going to just use Control X to just cut it and move this down to 600. Oh, sorry, move it down to 600. So that's 600, not move it down by 600. So and then I'll just paste back. Okay, so now let's load this one into the project, override. Yeah, so I think this time is correct, but still not right. Let's go back. So maybe we need to move this down by 150 as well, so I'm not sure. Alright, okay, doesn't work. So let me just do a spot elevation again. On top of this is 600. That's right. This is bottom 0, and on top of this is, yeah, it's roughly 500. So if I go back to here, I do a, so this is the dimension 600. Okay, let me just, sorry, I just need to check again. So yeah, so this is a bit confusing. 600 to the top. Maybe let's just, just reduce this by another 100, so maybe it will fix this. So I'll just Control X this again and then move this down by 100. Reference plane over constraint. I'm not sure what that is. Yeah, that's good. And I'll just paste in the same place. Okay, so load this back and overwrite. Still not right. So it's still another 100. Yeah, but 400. Okay. I'll delete it and paste again. Yeah, so now it's good. So if you really want to make this parametric, you can, but you just need to, when we create this, we need to use use a center mark, and then somehow we add dimensions, so it will it can be a parametric. But for this exercise, we just want to quickly model this. So okay, what else? Yeah, so it looks like this one, you go inside a little bit. What we can do is we can offset. So if you go to edit type, so in the top rail, so if you go to here, so you have option to offset. Where it is. Not here. So hand clearance, maybe we can do that. Okay, so let me try this one. If I type 0 and okay, so you can see it offset that way. So which means if we add more, so 200 there. Okay, so no, actually, the other way around. Sorry about that. So it'll be negative, maybe negative 200. How about that? Okay, so can see go there, and then we can offset the ballast as well. So ballast placement. So here, family 2, base, holes correct, offset correct, top here. So offset. Let's try 200 for first. Yes. Okay, so should be negative 200. Oh, yeah. Not 200, 100, negative 100. Apply. Yes. So let's just do 200. Negative 200, and also let's go negative 300. Okay, so yeah, so now you can see it will create this thing, railing, and also create this. So let's do another one. So for example, I'll just create another floor, CS, create similar, maybe something like this. Okay, so and then I'll just use Fiddly arc to to make this corner, and then finish this. So this is a floor, so we can just create this railing. So CS, create similar, pick this, and pick this tab, click, finish, and that's another one. Okay, so I think this is it. And yeah, the good thing about this is sometimes, so let me just create another one. So sometimes you have a you might hang on. Maybe I'll just copy this one. I don't want to do it again, so maybe copy this floor. You can also edit boundary, give it a slope. Where is it? Define slope. Okay, so finish. So now you can see this is on a slope, right? So I'll just do a slope arrow. Okay, so and select this CS, and we can pick line, tab, and create. And then, looks like it's broken, probably because there's some reason. And use pick new host and pick this floor. So it will, yeah, it's trying to, not too bad, but yeah, it's broken here for some reason. Let's try this one. See, and let's edit boundary and just pick one edge and define slope. And maybe I'll just use the negative angle. Finish. And then let's just create another one, CS, pick line, tab, oops, sorry, Control Z, tab, click, hang on, Control Z, tab, click. Looks like we have some issue here. Maybe just need to pick these edges one by one. So now we have this, good, finish, and then use pick new host and pick the floor. Yeah, so now you can see even that this floor is sloped, so we can still create this and it follows this floor. Okay, so this is it. Yep, so if you have any questions, please let me know. So this is very simple family. I don't think I need to upload this one, right? So thank you. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.